Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix high memory or RAM usage in Windows 10. First method is, type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click NDU. Open Start. Change value data to 4. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. Second method is, type services in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Open SYS main service. Change to disabled. Stop the service, apply, OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.